Hello, my beautiful people. So when everyone around you is sick, this is your cue to slow down and make something healing. Start by sauteing chopped up onion, garlic, celery, carrots, and a little diced turnip in olive oil and butter. Make sure to add your bay leaf and oregano as well. When preparing your chicken, you're going to add paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some chicken bouillon, and pepper. Afterwards, add everything inside the pot on top of the vegetables and let it cook together. Add your parsley and mix. I like a little bit of extra vegetables, so I decided to add some green beans. I also added a little bit of rouse to add some flavor. And if you want potatoes, go ahead and add them. I just forgot to add it in the film. Well, here's the soup. I hope you enjoy it and that you stay healthy.